Students, then I will give you one exercise problem. Okay, I will explain the concept clearly, how to solve this problem. You have to work out this problem and cross check the answer. Okay, see the problem. Figure shows two blocks of weight 60 Newton and 140 Newton placed on two inclined planes and connected by an inextensible string. Calculate the acceleration of the system and the tension in the string. Take mu is equal to 0.2. Coefficient of friction mu value common to block A and block B. Okay, first write down the given data. Draw the diagram. Weight of A block is equal to 60 Newton. Weight of B block is equal to 140 Newton. Then coefficient of friction is equal to 0.2. From that you got to calculate mass value. We know that W is equal to M into G. Therefore M is equal to W divided by G. First one, mass of A body is equal to mass weight 9.60 Newton divided by acceleration due to gravity 9.81 is equal to 6.11 kilogram. Next one, mass of B block is equal to 140 divided by 9.81 is equal to 14.27 kilogram. Mu is equal to 0.2. Then calculate first question acceleration, second question tension in the string T. Okay. Here see the diagram. Direction of motion of body A and B depends on an inclined angle. Okay, inclined angle with respect to horizontal plane. Here also direction of motion is not given. We cannot predict the direction of motion. So in this case also you got to assume any one direction of motion. A block moves upward direction or downward direction. Okay. First consider block A. See the free body diagram of block A. Inclined angle 60 degree. See the free body diagram. This one plane. Plane is taken as x axis. We know that y axis perpendicular to x axis. Normal reaction consider as y axis. Okay, plane x axis, normal reaction y axis. In the plane க்கு parallel வரக்கூடியது எல்லாமே horizontal force. இந்த NR க்கு parallel வரக்கூடியது எல்லாமே vertical force. Okay, here block A connected with a string. Therefore tensile force. Assume movement upward direction. Movement not given. My assumption, block A moves upward direction. Okay, we know that direction of inertia force is opposite to the direction of motion. Therefore MA into A downward direction. Movement upward direction. Friction force also opposite to the direction of motion. Therefore Fm is equal to mu in the normal reaction NR. Then weight of the A block is equal to 60 Newton. Weight A vertically downward direction. Here plane x axis, normal reaction y axis. Therefore weight inclined with y axis. Weight 60 Newton, 60 degree inclined with y axis. Okay, so ஹரிசாண்டலா எடுத்துக்கலாம், வெர்டிகலா எடுத்துக்கலாம். இந்த இன்க்ளைன்ட் ஃபோர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஹரிசாண்டல் ஆட்டம் வெர்டிகல் ஆட்டம் ரீசால்வ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஆங்கிள் எக்ஸை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா ஹரிசாண்டல் காஸ் தீட்டா, வெர்டிகல் சைன் தீட்டா. ஆங்கிள் ஒய்யை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா ஹரிசாண்டல் சைன் தீட்டா, வெர்டிகல் காஸ் தீட்டா. இப்போ நமக்கு எதை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்குது, ஆங்கிள் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் ஒய் ஆக்சிஸ். Therefore horizontal sin theta, vertical cos theta. Horizontal forces parallel to plane 60 into sin 60. Vertical forces parallel to normal reaction therefore 60 into cos 60 degree. Then resolve the problem. First condition, sigma v is equal to 0. Upward direction positive, downward negative, right side positive, left side negative. Therefore nr plus normal reaction nr minus downward direction 60 into cos 60. 60 into cos 60 is equal to 0. So calculate nr value in Newton. Calculate first value. Second one, sum of horizontal forces is equal to 0. Right side direction positive, left side direction negative. Therefore plus T, m into a left side direction minus ma into a, then friction force minus mu into nr minus horizontal force 60 into sin 60 is equal to 0. Here tensile force unknown value, ma already calculated, ma is equal to 6.11 kilogram. Acceleration unknown value, mu value 0.2, normal reaction nr is equal to some value in the minus 60 into sin 60. Okay, finally you will get T minus 6.11 into A is equal to 57.96 Newton. This one equation number 1. Okay, similarly you got to resolve block B and finally you will get the equation like this. Then resolve the equation number 1 and 2. Finally you will get the answer. Tensile force T is equal to, final answer, tensile force T is equal to 54.3 Newton. Acceleration minus 0.598 meter per second square. Minus 0.598 meter per second square. Here see the answer. Tensile force no problem. Acceleration is equal to minus 0.598. Okay, negative sign indicates our assumption is wrong. நம்ம என்ன assume பண்ணோம், block A moves upward direction. Okay, here A is equal to minus 0.598 meter per second square. So our assumption is wrong. Actually block A moves downward direction. Okay, block A moves downward direction. That's all.